Yeah, hi. I live in La Mesa, and we had a solar system put in by SolarTech, and I had a delicate roof here that I was really concerned about before we did it. So I interviewed 5 different companies as to what they would do to put the system on the roof without damage to the roof, and also about the output of the system and how good it was going to be, how effective. And in all categories, they did an excellent job, and they were much easier to talk to than some companies that kind of I didn't quite trust as to what they're going to do with my roof and other things. So it was a kind of a delicate job. As you can see here, they inset it in the roof. I have a tile roof. They put a vapor barrier underneath it, remove the tile, put a vapor barrier, and hasn't leaked a drop after this rain we've had. And the output on the kilowatts is taking care of my needs. They hit it right on. We talked to Gino there. He was very informative about what was needed, and it's been spot on. We've been in the negative here since June when it was installed. So I anticipate on the true-up comes, it's pretty much a break even. So we hit it right on with 18 panels, and I do have a swimming pool and a spa hooked up to that. So very happy with their work, very professional. Highly recommend them. All right, thank you.